Hello, art students. Welcome back to Art Magic Day 8. We are going to be letting you take the lead today on drawing. So let me talk about our artist and their art first, and then we'll have you start with your art magic. So this happens to be Louis Sullivan, and Louis Sullivan is credited as the father of skyscrapers. Now, a lot more people went into it than just him, but he is kind of given that credit. He is spent most of his life in Chicago, Illinois, but he was born in Boston, Massachusetts. And then this particular building is now called the Sullivan Center. It is on Madison Street, or what you might know of as Madison Avenue in Chicago, Illinois. So right in the middle of the middle top of the United States. I included this picture not for you to draw, but to give you an idea of the scale. So this here is this bit here. Okay, now let's go ahead and get set up for our art magic. I want to get you nice and close so you can see. Okay, that's not terrible. Okay, so we know that we're going ahead and writing down that it is day 8. We've made sure that our name is there. Miss Ross is going to help you since we're not in person and I can't watch you draw. Normally your teacher would stand over you and kind of see like, oh, they're struggling here, and then give you that feedback. So I'm going to take some guesses that you're probably needing to see these lines here, right? And you're probably needing help to see this line here. Okay, that's not bad. Get those down on your paper. It's not really what that line does, Miss Russ. You have one job, Miss Russ, to draw over top of what you're seeing. Okay, so now we're putting that here. Right? Okay, so once you have those lines, now, rather than trying to draw each and every one of these lines, because that would take you like 40 minutes, we're thinking, what is that texture like? How could I draw that so it's like a texture? So I want you to think, how could I draw this using texture? What's the textures that I see? And then you'll notice like the textures down here are different. Even down at the street, the textures are different. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you hit pause on this video and that you kind of look at the clock and pay attention. You're gonna wanna spend, if Miss Russ was drawing this, it would probably take me probably a 4 to 5 minute sketch to get all the textures and the details. I mean, you can always add, right, the details that you see. For example, that right there is a detail. So see what you can do and notice how the longer you spent and you just kind of slowly add your textures, you're going to start to look at your drawing and go, that looks pretty good. All right. Go ahead and give yourself 3 to 5 minutes. Happy drawing, guys. Bye.